Are you looking, whether you're a contractor on a demo job or a DIYer pulling nails in the garage, a dependable pry bar or crowbar is an essential tool in your arsenal. As the demand for durable, versatile hand tools grows, today's pry bars offer more options than ever. In this roundup, we evaluate the best options based on build quality, functionality, ergonomic design, variety, and overall value. List number: Spec Ops SPCD30 Pry Tools 30-inch wrecking crowbar. If you're looking for raw power and leverage, the Spec Ops SPCD30 Pry 30-inch wrecking crowbar is a standout choice. Built for heavy-duty demolition, this crowbar features a precision-honed claw for maximum nail pulling and chisel-like edges that tear through wood, drywall, and even masonry with ease. Its 30-inch length gives it excellent prying force, while the high-carbon steel construction ensures lasting durability on tough jobs. A standout feature is the dual-layer shock-absorbing grip, which makes extended use much easier on the hands and arms. It's also 100% made in the USA and supports veteran causes with every purchase. A big plus for socially conscious buyers. Whether you're remodeling or just busting through stubborn frames, this is the crowbar you want on hand.
List for 2 4-piece flat pry bar set, 15, 12, 7, 5.25 heavy-duty nail puller. This 4-piece flat pry bar set offers great versatility and a budget-friendly price, making it a great choice for DIYers or anyone needing multiple sizes for various jobs. The set includes 15 inches, 12 inches, 7-inch, and 5.25-inch bars, all forged from high-strength steel and finished with a rust-resistant coating. Each bar features a wide, flat end for prying boards or trim and a precision-beveled claw for nail pulling. What sets this set apart is the practical size variety. The longer bars offer serious leverage, while the shorter ones are perfect for tight or delicate spaces like cabinetry or molding. These tools may not be suitable for extremely heavy-duty demolition, but for general purpose around the home or workshop, they offer excellent bang for the buck. List 3 4-pack Pry Bar Set. 5.5 inches, 7.5 inches, 9.5 inches, 15 mini nail puller. Compact, efficient, and well-priced, this 4-pack mini pry bar set is perfect for precision tasks where control matters more than brute force. With lengths ranging from 5.5 inches to 15 inches, each crowbar in this set is crafted for tasks like pulling small nails, prying off baseboards, or opening crates. Made from durable steel and featuring polished beveled edges, they slip into tight spots easily. The varied sizes give users flexibility whether they're working on furniture, construction detail work, or light demolition. These bars also come with non-slip handles for added grip and control. They're not designed for heavy lifting or demolition, but shine in more delicate operations. Keep them in your toolbox or carry bag. You'll find plenty of uses. Listbar: Spec Ops Tools 15-inch flat pry bar crowbar, curved rocker head. The Spec Ops 15-inch flat pry bar is designed for pros who demand strength, precision, and comfort in one tool. This medium-sized crowbar features a curved rocker head for optimized prying leverage and a sharpened bevel for easy insertion beneath boards or nails. The high-carbon steel is heat-treated for toughness, and the precision-honed claws make quick work of nail pulling. Like other Spec Ops tools, it features a comfortable ergonomic grip and a sleek black and tan tactical finish. It's compact enough for tight spaces, but strong enough for substantial tasks. Perfect for flooring, framing, or renovation work. The military-grade durability and thoughtful design make this one of the most balanced pry bars on the market today. List 5. Metal Crowbar 6-piece dual-end small metal spudger pry opening repair tools kit. The 6-piece dual-end metal crowbar spudger tool set is a must-have for electronics repair and small-scale prying tasks. Designed for precision rather than power, these tools are ideal for opening phones, laptops, tablets, and other delicate devices without causing damage. Each tool has dual ends, flat, pointed, or curved, giving users multiple options for tackling fragile seams. Made of stainless steel, they offer solid durability while maintaining a slim, flexible profile.
They're also useful in hobbies, crafts, and light trim work. While not your go-to for traditional demolition, this kit fills a crucial niche for anyone who works on small electronics or detailed repair jobs.